everyone, today we're going to be going to a Good Guys car show with the Lincoln. Sorry, Audi. No more Audi.
All right, cool. Let's go. Hop in.
Hey, cool.
All right, talk about where we at.
At the Good Guys car show.
So what's your favorite car you've seen so far?
Pretty much all of them.
Yeah. So you like this one?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Well, see the back here? It opens. So this over here opens and that opens too.
Yeah. You like? That's cool. What do you like about it?
Well, look at these wheels.
Yeah.
That's what I like about it.
Yeah. What about right-hand drive?
Oh yeah, I like that right hand too.
When you're a little bit older, would you be interested in doing one of those? Remember these ones? These are the ones that go super fast on dirt, sideways.
Sideways?
Uh-huh.
They go sideways?
Uh-huh.
Why does this thing look like a drag race car?
If you want to race NASCAR, then you need to do one of those. But if you want to do Formula
No,
1...
I do not want to do NASCAR.
No, you don't?
No.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Do you know how much times those things crash?
Like every race?
Yeah, every race they crash. Grandpa,
What?
get on camera.
I'm right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's why electric cars aren't as cool, huh? Because electric cars can't do that. So that's going to be kind of sad if we only have electric cars, huh?
Well, it's gonna be cool though.
What?
It's gonna be cool.
Because they're fast?
Yeah.
But did you fill your shirt like this when they did the motor?
Yeah.
That's cool, huh?
Which one do you think was the loudest?
I think the last one was the loudest.
That was
But the
loudest.
middle one was like he was getting more gas though.
Hey guys, we're here at the Good Guys burnout show. So lots of cars see some burnouts.
How does it make you feel?
Pumped.
Would you wish your go-kart did do burnouts?
Yeah.
It doesn't even smoke the tires, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Needs an engine like that Chevy has.
Definitely.
Did you have fun so far?
Yeah.
Do you know how to say anything other than yeah?
Awesome. Jaxon Speed.
Yeah.
Yep.
How about subscribe? That, you know that?
Subscribe. Well, I can see my reflection.
Nice way to kick this burnout competition up. Here we go. Now we're talking.
How was that, bud? That was good.
Cool! I really like that green one though.
You do?
Yeah, I like them.
Because it's like adds character or something.
Yeah.
And it's just different, huh?
Yeah.
I like it too.
I like how the chicken's driving it.
Yeah.
Chicken, is this the chicken farm?
That's cool.
This is awesome! Let's do subscribe and hit the like button. Let's hope we get a lot of more views than all of our videos. Let's get some more likes. Please. See you later. Peace.
Do you want to cruise around or take off?
Cruise around, of course.
We'll go one time around.
Is it? Wait, is that El Camino right there?
Yeah. Oh, it's a Ford Ranchero.
Oh.
So it's like the same thing, but it's Ford's version.
Okay. Which is more popular, Ford Ranchero or El Camino?
El Camino, for sure.
Yeah. Poor Ford Ranchero.